Welcome to a home that surpasses any townhouse on the market. This half duplex redefines spacious, stylish, and comfortable living with incredible panoramic views of the Fraser River, Surrey skyscape, and even a view of Mount Baker. Let's start with this huge yard. It's a rare find, perfect for family gatherings, outdoor games, or relaxing with friends. And check out this fully equipped outdoor kitchen, complete with heating and built-in fridge so you can entertain year-round. For the hobbyist or the car enthusiast, there's a detached 19 by 23 foot garage or workshop with plenty of space to make your projects come to life. Step inside to a home that's been fully renovated with incredible attention to detail, from the new windows to the top and Frigidaire professional appliances. This kitchen is a chef's dream. Soft close cupboards, Silestone Counter-Tops, and a stylish breakfast bar make this as functional as it is beautiful. Upstairs, you'll find a spa-inspired bathroom featuring a soaker tub, a two-person glass-enclosed shower, and a convenient upstairs laundry. With 3 spacious bedrooms, this home is designed for ultimate comfort. Here's the best part: absolutely no strata fees. Why settle for a townhouse with shared space when you can own a home with a yard this big and no extra fees eating into your budget? We're only a short walk from Blue Mountain Park, Malkin Park, as well as Nelson Creek. You'll find Rochester Park as well as Rochester Adventure Park, found within the school zone catchment for Centennial Secondary, less than a 5-minute drive to the Vancouver Golf Club. We're only 15 minutes away from Simon Fraser University, under 6 minutes to Poirier Sports and Leisure Complex, and under 5 minutes to get to Highway 1. I'm Jesse.MacIver from Century 21 Creekside Realty, and as always, I'm here to help. If you're interested in a market update or just want to know what's going on in your neighborhood, reach out. The link is below.